Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Grams. Happy birthday to you. Grams is 3 years old today. 1, 2, 3. Is Grams 4 years old?
No.
3 years old? 5 years old? 6 years old? 7 years old? 20 years old? 9 years old? You tell me who, 5 years old? 2 years old? 3 years old? 4 years old? 5 years old? 6 years old? 7 years old? 8 years old? 9 years old? 2 years old?
No.